subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched its new mid-range 5G phone in Thailand called Vivo V23e. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V23e 5G features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo V23e 5G supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 44MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. And both the front and rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also comes with Ultra Steady Mode feature for anti-shake video recording. The device comes backed by 4050 mAh battery with 44W fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on FunTouchOS dual skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience, and it also includes multi-turbo feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.87 by 74.28 by 7.41 mm, and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo V23e 5G has been priced in Thailand at 12,999 Thai baht, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in Sunshine Coast and Moonlight Shadow color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 1st. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V23e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.